Hey viewers, here we are again with a new tutorial. Today's topic is on how to create shapefiles from open source map. We can easily download the India map, state map, district map, village map from different sources, but it's difficult to find a block map of a district. So many of the viewers are facing problem in downloading the block map of a district. So in today's tutorial we are here to show you some easy steps from which you can create any boundary map directly from the software itself. So let's start. In our previous tutorial, we have already showed you how to download these maps from different sources. You all can follow up with our previous videos which are already uploaded in our channel. So now for the creation of a new shapefile, we first need a base map. For that we need to install a plugin. So click on plugin, manage and install plugin and search for HCMGIS. Now install this plugin. After installation, open the HCMGIS base map. Now if we open the Google Maps, we cannot get the boundary lines properly here. We will only get the railways, roadways properly. But for easily getting the boundary lines properly, we need to open the... Now for getting boundary lines properly, we will open the base map. Then we will click on E3 topographic. Here we will get the boundary lines properly. It will easy for us to get the perfect block map of a district. For tracing the boundary lines, we need to zoom in into the district for which you need the block map. Here you can see the dotted lines. These are actually the block boundaries. These dotted lines are actually the block boundaries. Now let's create the block map. Go to layer, create layer, new shapefile layer. Select a name. Save. Now select the geometry type as polygon. Select the field name as block name, add to field list and OK. Now enable the toggle editing to start the tracing. Right click to save the tracing. Now set the block name as Jalda 1. You can get this block details in respective district website. For example, if you need, here I am using Purulia district. Go to the website of Purulia and get the block map details there. By following this simple step, I have created the whole block map of the Purulia district. You can easily follow these steps. By following these steps, you can easily create any shapefile by using this OSM maps. For example, you can create a reserve forest shapefile, or you need a city map. You can also create the city map with the help of this OSM map, which is available on every QGIS software. So hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.